One big body Olds with fresh gaskets, a rare German wagon for under $3,000, two air-cooled Volkswagens, and one Falcon with a strong heart but a weak transmission. These are real classic cars and project cars for sale. Driveway deals, honest conditions, no auction hype. Let's take a walk. Number 1. 1968 Oldsmobile Delta 88, $5,000, Loma Linda, California. First up is a full-size cruiser, a 1968 Oldsmobile Delta 88, 61,152 miles showing, automatic, rear-wheel drive, clean title, burgundy custom paint. This is classic late 60s American comfort, long hood, wide stance, and that unmistakable Oldsmobile front end. What stands out here is the mechanical refresh. The seller replaced head gaskets, radiator, water pump, intake manifold gasket, spark plugs, rebuilt carburetor, new battery, new tires, all fresh fluids. That's not small maintenance, that's real effort. If the work was done properly, that means cooling system is sorted, top end sealed, carb dialed in. For a 1968 full-size V8 sedan, that's reassuring. These Delta 88s typically ran the 350 or 455 Oldsmobile Rocket V8. Smooth torque, relaxed highway cruising. Not a race car, but a comfortable mile eater. At $5,000 for a running, driving, clean title big body with documented fresh work, that's solid value in today's market. This feels like a weekend cruiser that you could enjoy immediately. Number 2. 1969 Opel Kadett 1900L wagon, $2,600, La Mesa, California. Now we switch gears completely. A 1969 Opel Kadett 1900 wagon, under GM ownership but German built. Copper paint, rear-wheel drive, 1.9-liter inline-4, automatic, salvage title. These are lightweight cars, simple, mechanical, easy to maintain. The seller lists extensive recent work, rebuilt carb, new master cylinder, front brake pads, rotors, calipers, wheel bearings, water pump, valve cover gasket, alignment, new battery. That's a serious service list for a $2,600 car. The Kadett 1900 is not common anymore, especially as a wagon. It has a European look, slimmer body, lighter feel compared to American sedans. Salvage title means you inspect carefully, but mechanically refreshed and running for this price? This is entry-level classic ownership. Simple, rear-wheel drive, analog steering, and something you won't see at every Cars and Coffee. Number 3. 1968 Volkswagen Beetle, $8,500. Here we have a 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. Clean title. Odometer shows 198, likely reset or rebuilt. Seller notes transmission oil leak, but otherwise perfectly fine. Interior fabrics redone. New steering wheel. The 68 Beetle marked some small changes, larger bumpers, slight updates from earlier models. Transmission leak is common on these air-cooled VWs, often side cover or axle seals. The key question is rust, heater channels, floors, battery tray. If body is solid and it runs well, $8,500 puts it in driver quality territory. Beetles remain one of the most supported classics in the world. Parts are everywhere. Mechanical simplicity is unmatched. This is the kind of car someone in their 50s remembers seeing everywhere in the 70s. Number 4. 1968 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, $4,500, Fullerton, California. Now something prettier. A 1968 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Coupe. White, manual transmission, clean title. But engine not installed. Seller says newer engine included, just not installed. The Karmann Ghia is essentially Volkswagen mechanicals under a hand-formed Italian design body. Lower, sleeker, more elegant. Odometer broken, needs work, great project. At $4,500 with engine included, this is a classic restoration candidate. These cars can rust badly in the nose and rocker panels, so inspection is key. But visually, when restored, they are stunning little coupes. Number 5. 1964 Ford Falcon, $5,800. A 1964 Ford Falcon 4-door sedan. Runs strong, engine good, interior good, tires good, transmission going bad. The Falcon was Ford's compact before the Mustang. Simple unibody car, usually inline 6-powered. If engine is solid and trans needs rebuild, you're looking at a manageable mechanical project. These cars are light, straightforward, and parts are widely available. It's not flashy, but it's honest classic transportation. That's 5 down. Now we move into trucks, a high-performance Impala, a Desert Survivor VW bus, and a Ford F-250 Ranger Special. Let's keep walking.
Number 6. 1967 Chevrolet C20 pickup,
$10,000, Costa Mesa, California. Here's a working-class truck. A 1967 Chevrolet C20 3/4-ton pickup. 54,000 miles showing. Odometer broken. 350 V8. Automatic. Clean title. 1967 was the first year of the Action Line body style. Clean, squared off, but still classic curves. The 350 small block is one of the most reliable engines ever built. Parts are everywhere. C20 means heavier duty suspension compared to a C10. At $10,000, this feels like a usable classic truck. Not a show truck, not a basket case, just solid. If frame and cab mounts are good, this is something you could drive and slowly improve. Number 7. 1966 GMC 2500, $6,800, Baker, California. Another truck, a 1966 GMC 2500, inline 6, manual transmission, rear-wheel drive. Body and interior good, some surface rust, odometer rolled over. Mid-60s GMC trucks share platform with Chevy, but have slightly different styling. Inline 6 engines are known for durability and torque. Manual gearbox keeps it old school. At $6,800, this feels like a solid foundation, especially if rust is truly surface only. Number 8. 1966 Chevrolet Impala, $7,500, Pahrump, Nevada. Here's a serious project. A 1966 Chevrolet Impala with a rebuilt 327 from a 1962 Corvette. Camelback heads, high-performance cam, ram horn manifolds, TH350 automatic. That's good hardware, but it needs full restoration. Needs carb work, won't currently start, bad gas likely, missing muffler, missing some chrome, minor body ding above taillight. Original California pink slip included. This is not turnkey. This is a tow-home, full restoration build. But that 327 setup is desirable. If truly rebuilt properly, that's strong foundation. Number 9. 1969 Volkswagen Bus, $8,995, Lake Havasu Lake, Arizona. A 1969 Volkswagen Type 2 bay window bus. Sat in desert since 1991, rust-free floors and frame per seller. New master cylinder, wheel cylinders, brake work. Installed stock 1600cc engine, manual transmission, clean title. These bay window buses have skyrocketed in value in recent years. Patina look is popular now, original worn paint with solid structure underneath. If truly desert dry and structurally solid, $8,995 is competitive. These are lifestyle vehicles now, camping, Surf 5, nostalgia. Number 10. 1967 Ford F-250 Ranger Special, $8,000, Washington County, Utah. Last one today, a 1967 Ford F-250 Ranger Special, 390 V8, manual transmission, clean title. Runs good, needs carpet, upholstery, and paint. The Ranger Special trim added upgraded interior touches. The 390 FE-V8 is a strong torque engine, popular in Ford trucks of the era. At $8,000, this is priced as a restoration candidate, not a finished truck. But FE-powered Ford trucks always have a following. 10 more classic cars for sale, from big-body Oldsmobiles to desert VW buses. Some are drivers, some are full restorations, some are budget entry points. That's what makes this hobby interesting. If you enjoy honest walkthroughs like this, stick around. There's always another batch of classic cars waiting.